A few years ago, people thought AI would replace factory workers first. They were wrong. Today, AI is writing reports, answering customer emails, creating presentations, analyzing data, coding software, designing graphics, and even replacing tasks done by managers. The scary part? Many people still think their job is safe. If you've ever wondered whether AI could eventually replace what you do at work, the answer is uncomfortable. For millions of workers, the question is no longer if, it's when. And most people won't see it coming until it's already happened. Because AI isn't replacing jobs the way people imagined. Your company probably won't fire an entire department tomorrow. What happens is much quieter. And that's exactly why it's so dangerous. Most people think job replacement looks dramatic. A robot arrives, people get laid off, the news talks about it. But in reality, companies replace jobs one task at a time. First, AI writes the first draft. Then it creates the report. Then it answers routine questions. Then it analyzes information. Then suddenly, a team of 10 people only needs 6. The work still exists. The workers don't. That's why many companies aren't announcing massive AI layoffs. They're simply hiring fewer people, promoting fewer people, replacing people who leave with software instead of new employees. And most workers never notice the shift until opportunities start disappearing.
Here's the part nobody wants to admit. The people most at risk aren't always the lowest performers. Sometimes they're the people doing predictable work. Think about it. AI doesn't care whether a task is difficult. It cares whether a task is repeatable. If your job mostly involves following patterns, processing information, creating standard documents, responding to common requests, or producing routine output, AI is getting better at doing parts of that every single month. Meanwhile, workers keep making a dangerous assumption. I'll have plenty of time to adapt. That's exactly what happened during every major technological shift in history. People assume change will happen slowly. Then one day they wake up and realize the world moved faster than they expected. The workers who survive aren't necessarily the smartest. They're the fastest to adapt. They learn how the new system works before everyone else. But here's what most headlines get wrong. AI isn't creating a future where humans become useless. It's creating a future where average skills become less valuable. The employees who simply complete tasks will face pressure. The employees who solve problems, influence people, make decisions, build relationships, and use AI better than everyone else will become even more valuable.
The real threat isn't AI. The real threat is standing still while everyone around you learns how to use it. Because your competition isn't just another employee anymore. It's another employee with AI. And that's a very different battle. The workplace is changing, whether people like it or not. Some workers will spend the next few years complaining about AI. Others will spend the next few years learning how to work alongside it. One group will become easier to replace. The other will become harder to ignore. The choice is being made right now, even if most people don't realize it yet. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more workplace truths, office politics insights, and career survival strategies that most people learn too late.